time for our phonics poem of the week. Today's poem is all about E. And the title of the poem is The Busy Bee's Treat. The busy bee buzzed round the tree. He found some leaves as green as can be. He saw a sheep fast asleep on the steep hill, dreaming of sweets and staying still. The bee gave a cheeky little tee-hee and sipped some nectar happily. With a breeze so free, the flowers did sway. E words are fun to say each day. How many times can you find E in today's poem? You can pause the video now to see how many you can find. I found E 14 times in this poem. Did you find them all? If you liked this poem, remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Take care. Bye for now.